Hey guys, I'm Ginkgo here. Isn't this a pretty morning? Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Well, got down in the single digits last night. So, I'm going to do a cold starting video. I saved you guys the trouble of having to sit through 3 glow plug cycles. So I'm going to cycle a few more times and then give her a go. Yeah, hell, let's try it on the next one, just to see where she's at. Foot to the floor. Nothing yet. It's going to be a slow morning. Good thing I jumped out here early to try to start this thing. Come on, baby. There we go. Alright, a couple more times, guys. On the next one, I'll go. Oh, come on. Come on, honey. Alright. I'm going to let it cycle a few times and I'll come back.